Did you know that olive oil was once considered liquid gold? Yes, the ancient Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians didn't just use it for cooking, but also for medicinal purposes. This humble yet potent concoction was a cornerstone of their daily life, playing an integral role in rituals, ceremonies, and even in their beauty regimes. It was so revered that it was often referred to as the magical elixir, or the elixir of life. Imagine that, a simple olive, crushed and pressed, yielding an oil so precious it was likened to the most valuable metal in the world. But why? What made this oil so special to these ancient civilizations that they would go to great lengths to procure it? Could it be its myriad health benefits? The focus of our discussion today is the impact of consuming olive oil on an empty stomach. So is there any truth to these ancient beliefs? Let's delve into the science behind it. Before we get started, it's essential to understand what olive oil is and how it's produced. So what is olive oil? Simply put, it's the liquid fat obtained from olives, a traditional tree crop of the Mediterranean basin. But there's a lot more to it than that. The production of olive oil is a process that requires care and precision, and it begins with the harvesting of the olives. Olives are typically hand-picked to prevent damage, and the best quality oils come from olives that are pressed within 24 hours of harvesting. The olives are cleaned, crushed into a paste, and then pressed or spun to separate the oil from the pulp. For the highest quality oils, this process is done at a low temperature to preserve all the beneficial compounds in the olives. Now, not all olive oils are created equal. There are three main types: extra virgin, virgin, and regular olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, often labeled as EVU, is the highest quality and most flavorful. It's made from pure, cold-pressed olives, whereas regular olive oil is a blend, including both cold-pressed and processed oils. Virgin olive oil, on the other hand, is a good middle ground. It's less processed than regular olive oil but doesn't have the high standards of EVU. Each type of olive oil has its own health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil is full of antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Regular olive oil, while not as nutrient-dense as extra virgin, still provides healthy monounsaturated fats. Virgin olive oil, being less processed than regular but more than EVU, holds a balance of these benefits. So whether you're using it for cooking, dressing salads, or even drinking it on an empty stomach, there's no denying the health benefits of this liquid gold. Understanding the process and types of olive oil helps us appreciate its value even more. Now that we have a better understanding of what olive oil is, we can explore its health benefits. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Food Happy Lifestyle. On this channel you will get valuable tips to improve your health for a happy living. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to watch the video until the end. You might be surprised to learn just how beneficial olive oil can be when consumed on an empty stomach. Let's dive right into it. Olive oil is a powerhouse of antioxidants. Antioxidants are the body's first line of defense against free radicals, harmful molecules that can cause damage to cells and contribute to aging and diseases. They are the superheroes of your body, fighting off the villains of disease and aging. Olive oil is rich in phenols and polyphenols, antioxidants that have been shown in numerous studies to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. But that's not all. Olive oil is also a friend to your digestive system. When consumed on an empty stomach, it works like a gentle lubricant for your digestive tract, smoothing the way for food to move through easily. It can also stimulate the production of bile and pancreatic hormones naturally, in a manner far more preferable than over-the-counter drugs. Moving on, did you know olive oil could be your ally in the battle of the bulge? Yes, you heard it right. Olive oil can give your metabolism a friendly nudge, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Its monounsaturated fats can help increase the sensation of fullness, making you less likely to snack between meals. Now let's talk about the heart, the engine of our body. Olive oil is a key ingredient in the Mediterranean diet, which is often cited as one of the healthiest diets in the world, particularly when it comes to heart health. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered a healthy dietary fat. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels, which can lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Moreover, olive oil contains a compound called oleuropein, which has been shown to help regulate blood pressure levels. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed olive oil daily had a significant reduction in systolic blood pressure after just 3 weeks. When we consider all these benefits, it's clear why many health experts and nutritionists recommend incorporating olive oil into your daily routine. The beauty of it all is that these benefits are backed by scientific studies, not just hearsay or folklore. And remember, these benefits are maximized when olive oil is consumed on an empty stomach. Impressive, isn't it? But how exactly does olive oil do all this? Let's delve into the science behind it in the next segment. Keep watching to unlock the mysteries of this ancient elixir. It's not magic, it's science. Let's unravel the secrets of this ancient elixir. So what makes olive oil the health powerhouse it's reputed to be? The answer lies in its composition. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly a type called oleic acid. These fats are known to reduce inflammation and have beneficial effects on genes linked to cancer. Unlike the saturated fats found in butter or coconut oil, monounsaturated fats can reduce levels of bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. They also help in the absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K. But the goodness of olive oil doesn't stop at healthy fats. It's also packed with powerful antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols. These antioxidants are biologically active and help fight serious diseases. They do this by neutralizing harmful free radicals in your body, which can lead to chronic diseases and accelerate aging. Moreover, olive oil contains a unique anti-inflammatory substance called oleocanthal. It's so potent that some compare its effectiveness to ibuprofen, a common anti-inflammatory drug. Chronic inflammation is thought to be among the leading drivers of many diseases including heart disease, cancer, metabolic syndrome, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and even arthritis. By reducing inflammation, olive oil helps guard against these conditions. Then there's hydroxytyrosol, a rare compound found in olive oil. Studies show that it can protect your blood vessels and keep your heart young and strong. It also has antimicrobial properties, meaning it can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. So olive oil isn't just a tasty addition to your meals, it's a cocktail of health-boosting compounds. Each spoonful delivers a dose of monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory agents that work together to keep your body functioning at its best. And the best part? All these benefits come from a natural source, unlike many supplements and medications that are synthesized in labs. This makes olive oil a safe and effective way to boost your health. So it turns out the ancients were onto something, but how can you incorporate olive oil into your daily routine? Incorporating olive oil into your diet is easier than you might think. You don't need to drastically alter your eating habits or adopt a Mediterranean lifestyle overnight. It's all about finding small, manageable ways to introduce this golden elixir into your daily routine. One of the simplest methods is to take a spoonful of olive oil first thing in the morning before you eat or drink anything else. It might take a bit of getting used to, but think of it as a new kind of morning ritual. Just like how some people can't start their day without a cup of coffee, you'll soon find yourself reaching for that bottle of olive oil. If the idea of drinking olive oil straight doesn't sound particularly appealing, don't worry, you can easily add it to a morning smoothie. Olive oil has a mild flavor that blends well with fruits and vegetables so it won't overpower your breakfast drink. Plus, it'll give your smoothie an extra nutritional boost. Another option is to drizzle olive oil over your breakfast. Whether you're having a bowl of oatmeal, a slice of whole grain toast, or a plate of scrambled eggs, a dash of olive oil can enhance the flavor and up the health quotient of your meal. Now, before you rush off to guzzle down a bottle of olive oil, it's important to mention some potential side effects. While olive oil is generally safe and beneficial, consuming large amounts can lead to digestive issues like diarrhea. It's also high in calories, so be mindful of your intake if you're watching your weight. Moreover, ensure you're using extra virgin olive oil, the highest quality and most beneficial variety. Lower quality oils may not offer the same health benefits and can even contain harmful substances. Lastly, if you're on any medication or have a medical condition, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before making any significant dietary changes. So, are you ready to make olive oil a part of your daily routine? With its myriad of health benefits and versatility in the kitchen, there's no reason not to give it a try. If you don't want to miss out on more tips and tricks about health and food for a happy life, click on one of our next videos right now, which are linked here. If you like our videos, we would be happy if you subscribe to our channel, share the video with your friends, and leave a comment with your opinion about this topic. Stay healthy and see you soon.